Hey there, design enthusiasts. Today, we're exploring 60 jaw-dropping kitchen backsplash trends for 2025. Whether you're dreaming of a remodel or just looking for ideas, these trends will inspire you to transform your space. Let's dive in. Timeless neutrals with a modern twist. 1 textured beige subway tiles bring warmth to your kitchen while maintaining a classic look. 2 matte white tiles with subtle geometric patterns add depth without overwhelming the space. 3 soft gray herringbone designs deliver timeless elegance with a contemporary flair. 4 cream-colored tiles paired with gold accents create a luxurious but subtle touch. 5 neutral-toned hexagonal mosaics provide a modern twist on a classic design. Bold and vibrant colors. 6 deep emerald green tiles exude richness and sophistication when paired with white or wood tones. 7 bright cobalt blue backsplashes create a vibrant Mediterranean-inspired feel. 8 burnt orange terracotta tiles add earthy warmth, perfect for rustic kitchens. 9 sunny yellow ceramic tiles brighten any kitchen with their cheerful, inviting energy. 10 rich plum tiles add a touch of drama and elegance to any modern design. Metallic and reflective designs. 11 reflective gold subway tiles bring a glamorous glow to your kitchen space. 12 silver mosaic tiles offer a sleek, modern vibe that complements minimalist designs. 13 rustic copper penny round tiles provide a warm, vintage-inspired look. 14 rose gold metallic panels add a soft, luxurious feel without being overpowering. 15 aluminum tiles with textured patterns deliver an industrial yet stylish aesthetic. Natural stone elegance. 16 marble slabs with dramatic veining create an upscale, timeless look for your kitchen. 17 polished granite backsplashes offer a unique mix of durability and natural beauty. 18 quartz backsplashes in Calicut gold tones bring an opulent touch to modern spaces. 19 travertine tiles with subtle textures add rustic charm to any kitchen. 20 sleek soapstone backsplashes provide a matte, velvety finish perfect for modern aesthetics. Artistic expression. 21 hand-painted floral tiles offer a romantic, personalized touch to your kitchen walls. 22 abstract designs in vibrant colors turn your backsplash into a creative masterpiece. 23 mosaic murals bring artistic flair with intricate patterns or scenic depictions. 24 customized geometric shapes like fish scales or diamonds make a bold statement. 25 monochromatic graphic tiles offer a striking yet minimalist artistic appeal. Eco-friendly and sustainable materials. 26 recycled glass tiles in various colors make your kitchen beautiful and eco-conscious. 27 reclaimed wood backsplashes offer rustic charm and tell a story of sustainability. 28 bamboo tiles provide a sleek, natural alternative for eco-friendly kitchens. 29 cork backsplashes are warm, textured, and perfect for reducing your carbon footprint. 30. Upcycled metal panels give an industrial feel while being environmentally conscious. Mixed materials for depth and contrast. 31 wood and ceramic combinations create a warm yet polished look for any kitchen. 32 glass and metal accents add a reflective, contemporary twist to your space. 33 stone tiles bordered by wood trim balance rustic charm with modern finesse. 34 marble tiles with metallic trims elevate luxury kitchens with stunning details. 35 concrete backsplashes paired with polished metals create industrial chic vibes. Minimalist and seamless designs. 36 full slab porcelain backsplashes make a bold, modern statement with clean lines. 37 seamless quartz backsplashes offer a sleek, cohesive aesthetic that's easy to clean. 38 matte black panels create a striking focal point in minimalist kitchens. 39 white acrylic panels provide a futuristic, glossy look for contemporary spaces. 40 glass backsplashes with invisible seams give an elegant, streamlined finish. Retro revival. 41 black and white checkerboard tiles bring a timeless, nostalgic vibe. 42 pastel subway tiles are perfect for creating a cheerful, vintage-inspired kitchen. 43 retro floral patterns in warm tones add a cozy, welcoming atmosphere. 44 scalloped tiles offer a playful and eye-catching design element. 45 geometric patterns from the 70s deliver bold, retro character. Smart and backlit backsplashes. 46 LED lit glass panels let you customize your kitchen's mood with vibrant colors. 47 motion sensor lighting illuminates your backsplash as you cook, functional and stylish. 48 backlit onyx slabs create a dramatic, high-end aesthetic in luxurious kitchens. 49 smart panels with digital designs let you change the look of your backsplash anytime. 50 light reactive tiles adapt to your kitchen's lighting for a dynamic design element. Textural and tactile backsplashes. 51 3D tiles with intricate patterns add depth and dimension to your kitchen walls. 52 wavy ceramic tiles mimic ocean waves, creating a calming and dynamic look. 53 pebbled tiles bring a natural, spa-like texture to your kitchen design. 54 ribbed or fluted textures in neutral tones add subtle yet striking detail. 55 fabric-like ceramic tiles offer a soft, unique visual effect. Nature-inspired designs. 56 leaf pattern tiles bring tropical vibes into your home. 57 ocean-inspired wave designs evoke a coastal, serene ambience. 58 bark-like textures create a rustic yet elegant connection to nature. 59 butterfly or bird-themed mosaics add whimsy and charm to your kitchen. 60 earthy tones and textures inspired by mountains and forests ground your design. So, there you have it, 60 stunning kitchen backsplash trends to inspire your next project. Let us know in the comments which trend you love the most, or if you're planning a kitchen makeover in 2025. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing design ideas. See you in the next video.